Yeah, hello guys. So on today's video, as we talked about on our last video, we are going to talk about every tool, every one of these tools. We're starting with Pixel Perfect. We'll start with the builders and mailing boards. Then we can come to the uh, professional emails. We will start with the way I have arranged them so that we can go in a much constructive way and in a way that you can build a business or you can start a business as we go along and even add more things to that business to make sure you capture all the traffics of all the reads that come to your site. So all these tools, all of them completely, they are what for tools so to speak, and that's why I keep talking about BuilderAll. Is amazing. Let's check if there is a new tool that has been added without us knowing, so you don't miss anything. I'll scroll all the way down. Should be done. Oh, there's a new app. There's a new tool. I keep saying apps because I still love apps, so to speak. There's a new tool that is a social proof pop-up. A new social proof tool pop-up. So we are going to add this. That's why I keep saying BuilderAll is amazing. Every time I come onto this pane, every day that I think I should check, I always find a new tool that has been added. So there you have it. That's a new one. I didn't know there was a new one. On the last video, I checked and I still found a new tool, and I was surprised also. So we are going to talk about these. But first, let me see. So you can see my face here. My name is George Renaina, and mostly on what we do on this channel is talk about on how to earn money online. Most importantly, earn money, earn commissions, and recurring commissions. The most important thing is not earning commissions. The most important thing is having recurring commissions. What do I mean by recurring commissions? This is where if you earn a commission for somebody purchasing something, you will get recurring commission, which means you will get money every month, every every month that that person uses that specific product that he or she bought through your link. And BuilderAll is one of that business where you get 100% commission on your first sale, then you get a 30% commission on recurring commissions on every purchase, on every month, and it's a two-tier commission. You get on your first year 30% commission, and your second year 30% commission, and it's recurring commission every month. If that person uses BuilderAll and makes the payments, you will get the 30% commission every month. So guys, let's jump into our video here. BuilderAll Pixel Perfect. This is the old builder. The new builder is Cheetah Builder. Last time I built a website. This one specifically, no, this one. I built this website, but surprisingly, my voice was not recorded. So sorry for that, and I didn't post the video. So we had to start over. And for that, we'll come here to new site. Click that. And there are so many options. You have templates all over in all membership area, all these tools under construction. This one will keep people updated on when you have a website or an e-com shop coming soon. You have sales funnels. There's so many of them that you, and this one that have a down arrow, if you click on them like that, you can see all that is in there. Over 300 funnels just waiting for you to use. So much value in Builderall, and you can use this software. We have $1 for 1 month. You can test it out, but before you do that, you have to watch my videos, and I give a good tutorials on the tools. So keep watching and make sure you subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified every time we make a video. And I'll start on a blank template so that you can see on how we can move things from scratch, so that even when you have a template, moving things would be easier. So this one already has some text. I won't use that one. I want to use this very blank template. So you click on edit, and if you click on view, it will just preview the page, and you can see it's completely black, nothing, it's just white out. Can that interested in this, and you can see it's very black. So you can go back and edit. As it rolls out, I want to say you should expect videos every day from me, because now I'm awesome. Though today I'm having a back pain. I did some exercises and I kind of tipped my back, but it's okay. Ends word. So when you want to make this one big, just drag it like that. Make that panel bigger. I want us to have enough space to do stuff. So I think that's better. This is the header. This is the footer. So you want to know everything you put on here will be shown in every page, and everything you put on here will be shown in every page. So on here, ideally, you can put the menu status bar, which will be shown in every page. And also on here, you can put your logo, you can put your contacts. Also on here, you can put your contacts and about us page. So you can put a contact us page, like something like that. Oh yeah, this boy is starving. If you want to add something, you just come and click on this button. If you want to add a page, you click on this button. So far so good, we have only one page. We want to add another page. And as you can see also here, when you want to add a new page, they also always give a template, all templates. But on this one, I want to use a template so that you can see how you can edit a template very easily. So welcome template. I think I love this one. So you confirm layout name. We say thank you page. Thank you page. We want to make a very simple website, not a complicated one, so that we can take as much as a little time, but we want to add as many components as we can so that you can kind of see how things work out. So we go back. And on this one, we want to add something. We can add something like a logo. So we would Go to images and select an image like one. Yeah. Want to change the image, you just right click, come here to change image. Mm, mm, mm. And I have to inform you beforehand, I'm having internet issues today, so bear with me when you see it taking a little bit of a time to load, because today we have internet issues. We can use this one. There's that. Mm. So you can put it on here, but you can select or show on all pages, and it will be shown to all pages. So it's it. Next version, please be sure to check. Uh, so it is to inform you that this picture will be shown in every page, and every time you make a change, you must press save, so that that change can be saved to your website as dollar business. Oh, and actually you can check out this website, is where I give you all the great things that are to come. If you I my $1 website, my $1 business dot site. This is where you can get access to your all the goodies that I have for you, which I will talk about in the next video. So you go next to save changes. Oh, and so to note, guys, build a law. If we go to the next page, if we go to the thank you page, oh, different. So the layout we added has some different pages, and it's a webinar panel, and it has way lots of pages. So you can see it's a funnel, not just a page. So I think we can't work with this one to make things complicated for some of us. So this one should be deleted. So when you want to delete a layout, you just come to the layout, like thank you page, click on it, then delete. Then you say confirm, and it's gone. We wanna let's add a blank page like we intended to do, instead of making things a little bit complicated for some beginners. So we'll just choose a blank page where we can work with, and thank you page. So we move ahead with that. Sorry for that mistake. And thank you page. Supposed to be home page, not blank. So, Tallulah, so that I like to put things on precision. Then we save. Uh, Save, no problem. It is informing that we made some serious changes. No problem for that. Work out for that. So the blank page and the thank you page. So we want to first edit our home page, and we can add some banners. So some banners where we can put some objects on. I love the parallax. What we mean by parallax is the backgrounds that have some movements in them. It's almost that they are somehow alive. I love this one. See? So kind of can put it up to the edge. And if we save this one, then preview it, you see the changes that what I'm talking about. To take up to 5 minutes to make some change, but let's see. You can see the background doesn't really move that much. The only thing that moves is the page itself. So we go back to the editor. As a parallax effect. Awesome. So when you pull the footer down, that's better. I think we have a big brain field for that. So this one is the foreground. So let's add some elements so that you can see how it comes out into play. We can add, let's say, some text. And we can edit that text. You can just click control, you just double click on the box, on the text box, then when the cursor comes in, you can click on the control A to select all so that you can make changes collectively. When you want to change the color of the text, you can come here on this letter A with a brush, you just click on that, and we want to do with white because of our background, then you say okay. Then you can change this text. We can say pixel perfect tutorial. Tutorial. That's a null. Website. So that's our first text, and you want to center this one, you can just you can click on the box when it's all highlighted. When the box is highlighted, you can just click on your right mouse button, then you can come click on the center just to make sure it's at the center, and there it's on the center of our save site. Remember, save is our friend. You save and save again. This one is to be on the safer side. If your electricity goes off, if your internet goes off, then if you come back, you can continue where you started. So on the next one, we can add a picture, image or images. Let's add an image first. We can put a 3D image, and you can right click. You right click this. When the image is highlighted, you right click, it will bring this pop-up menu. You can select change, left click on the change. Then this is the pictures that I have uploaded myself, all these that you see here. But there are images that they are already in BUILDERALL, and if you click here, you can see all the images that are there. If you click on all images, it will have some awesome images that you can use here, and there are different categories: abstract, these are artistic images, and all of them creative images, which are really awesome. And architecture, you have some architectural images here which you can use, that you don't have to be bothered about copyrights issues. And here we have business, and remember, I told you my internet is kind of slow, so bear with me for today. And come on, internet, don't want these guys to learn. Anyway, they will learn whether you like it or not. You can see our first image here is an awesome guy with a suit. Because our video today is about BUILDERALL tutorial, we kind of can select this one. Seem to be having a tutorial day. Select this one. You just click on it, left click, and it will be selected. Then you can come here and confirm. But before that, you can see that we have so many images. We have fashion, food, health, life, industry, music, nature, objects, people, products, sports. So many images that you can select from, but for us, we only need this one for our BUILDERALL pixel perfect tutorial. And that's how you add image very easily for this pixel perfect website tutorial. So you can maximize that. So we have added an image to our website. Click save. Save again. My apologies for my internet, but anyway, we are going to move on. No problem. So we have added text, we have added picture, and on the other one we can add button, all audio, all contact. We have so many things we can add, but anyway, we will add all of them all. So first things first, but we won't use this one, checkout and sales funnel, or blog we'll do on a separate video. And what we'll do is we will add button. Yeah, we have a variety of buttons here. You can see we have icons, have login buttons, register, login, toggle, call for action, my button, my button, my button. Some have amazing animations. Login button, and icon button. Let's just work with a simpler button. Like, I always love the blue one. I don't know why. Say for a change, I won't use the blue one. Let me use the clean one. It really pops out on that color. Oh yes. So instead of buy, say, yeah, okay. Oh, if you want to edit, it's the same thing. If you want to edit the button, you just highlight it by left clicking the mouse, then you right click, then you select on text, then you can change this one. You can say access now, and you can add a button subtitle, like we can say uh, oh, limited edition, then we can say confirm. Then for the sake of the, can make these bigger. I think on the past text access now we can make it a bit bigger also. Can appearance, font, centralized, but we want to change size, not bold, but we want subtitle. Yeah, like that. That's better. Okay, save now. So that's how you add a button. Again, when you want to make this one center, you just highlight, right click, then select. Again, this one picture, issue. Right click, then highlight center. Then on this one we can add, and you can see how fast it is, that one. So on this one we can add something, some other element we can but I want to learn how to add. kind of suppressed the background. Better, better. So we have some also playing field. So when you need to add something else, like we can add a menu, anchor menu. Can add an anchor menu where the menu is, if somebody clicks on that, it will take him on the next page. Something simpler. Let's see. I don't want to take my favorites, but anyway, what is there? What can hurt? It also helps easy navigation of the okay. If you want to edit this one, so you just click on that, edit menu items. Edit. Thank you. Page. Okay. Okay. So thank you page, and so we need to config so that when you click this, any of these, they'll take you to the page, other page. So back page one, in the same tab, okay. Page, back page two, same page, okay. Confirm. Okay, we can save. And we can copy, paste that one. To copy and paste, you just click on these two pictures. You can take this one on the header, but if you're on the top, you don't have to scroll the way down. Okay, to adjust this. There. But I think we just pulled the panel instead of enlarging it. We pulled the panel. That's why it was like that. As you can see, our website is coming to life. We have added text, we had added picture, we had added a button, we have added the menu bars, two of them. So the last thing we need to add, we can add a video. Do I have a video? We have to add a video from YouTube. It's okay, we can add a video from YouTube. We can put in the one I had for the first video on the BUILDERALL launch program. I think we can put text on it, like can add text, something like this. Remember what we said? Double click. After it is selected, you go on the A with the brush. I wanna do white mostly because our background is black. Then when you get the cursor, Control A, and you can put in your text there. You can delete it by backspace, or you can just text the. You can just put in your text that will replace all the text that is in there, which is only meant to hold the text bar so that it can be seen properly on a background where it will not be seen any way because it has a transparent background. So you can put in our text like view all 4.0 and review. Oh, no. This one should be capital. That's Arabic. It's something to say okay. It's a word meant to say okay. Yeah. So I'm kind of in tune with some Arabic. You might hear me saying some words and you might think I'm cursing, but I don't curse. It's just Arabic in me coming out. Cool. Cool. BUILDERALL 4.0 review. Remember to center it. You just highlight the text, right click, then left click on, and you can put this one text. Control A, then select on the center element. So we have that one. So to grab our link, we'll jump into YouTube. I have my channel, which only has one video, so to speak, right now. Channel. Grab the link. Again. That one. We can come here and highlight our video, config, then we can put in our link over here. You just highlight it, then just paste. You can highlight to all with like Control A, then you can paste with Control V. Then you say start from how many minutes is it? 0 to 5, I think. 10, 20. It was a bit longer. Allow full screen. Full screen here, it's when the person who's watching can put it on full screen, and even okay to loop this video where it keeps repeating itself. Show stream bars, no. Display controls, okay. Confirm. There you go. There we have added our video. What else can we do? We have to add a contact form. So Go a little bit down. To need. Oh, we add an email form so that you can, and after we did somewhere. Just through internet. You can add an email form so that afterwards you can see how you can use the email forms together with the autoresponder that is on BuilderAll, which you can integrate together with the website. So, oops. I thought this one was Jira. That's the side effects of using Jira. It's just drag and drop. This one, yeah, yeah. Please confirm. Okay, I will do that. Remember, save is our friend, and I haven't saved. That's one problem when you get caught up with something that is so cool like Bureau. Let's not make it bigger. So you click on that, you come on config, and we have our own email marketing autoresponder, which is mailing boss. Don't need any other. So here you have to choose on which list you need to put them in. I'll just put them on Facebook ads. Okay, it really rhymes with Facebook ads email list because I'm giving a free course on that. Yeah, and you can get access to it after this website is finished. So don't worry, I'll be giving it for free to you to access. Another thing we can add, we're just adding simple elements so that you can actually make something more cute in the aftermath. It's just to show you how to put things onto that. And on this axis now we can add some timer there. So let's first drop these things a bit. You can come here, you can come here. Oh, this one can be there. Access now. We can add some timer there. I like the circular ones, but we are not talking about me, so we won't put circular ones, we put square ones. There you go. You can configure this one. Edit. Why not it? 20th, we can put like day starting, so we can put like 3 days. End time. Midnight. It's midnight here. Somebody so you can see it's running. Then we can put some text there. I want to show you how to play with some things. Also, you'll use text most of the time. So even if we keep adding text, it's no problem. Then we can put like that. Control A to select all. You can say peace. appear when timer it's low. Oh, thank you, Granny. And also you can use Glammy, which is a very good tool. Helps in auto collection. You can bold these guys. Better. And we can add on some things like allows. So you can here say add I saw somewhere icon button buttons. Yeah, you can use allows. Change color appearance. White. Okay. Just can we make it flip? I think. How to do it? I don't know how we can make this thing flip. Delete and bring in a new. Bring in a new guy. String brother. So there icons. String brother. Just so hard to see. Appearance. Skip video.